Hello everyone, welcome back. If the flashlight is not working on your iPhone, then do the following step if it's not a hardware issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings, connect to Wi-Fi, then tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. And also, if you're using any beta profile, remove the beta profile and back to the stable version of iOS. And under general, we have to check one more thing, the iPhone storage, and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. The next solution is force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then we are going to move to the last solution. Settings, General, transfer reset iPhone, reset and reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.